my lovely cuties, welcome to my channel That Girl Zara. So today's video will be all about Mars Lip Drip Lip Mist, which is the new launch. It is not like newly launched, it has launched few months back, but it is going viral on all over the internet. So I thought of give it a try and review it for you guys. I have 4 shades with me, but they are available in 8 different shades. I have picked out 4 best-selling shades and I have been using this from months, and I must say that I will give you the best reason to grab this. So this is how the box looks like. It has written Drip Lip Mist in it. On top of it you will get the shade name, and on bottom you will get the logo of Mars Cosmetics, and it has very simple kind of packaging, and the actual outer packaging of the drip mist is like this. It has a written Drip Lip Mist again like on the bottle, and on the back side it has Mars logo and Mars written on it. It has a very good doe foot applicator which gives one swipe application. It is highly pigmented. If you have like pigmented lips, it will gonna cover that also, which is a great thing. So if you have pigmented lips or your dusky skin tone, you can give this lip tint a try because this gives one swipe application. This is non-patchy. I'm wearing this shade called Plum Drip from more than an hour and it is like intact. The shade is the same till the starting. This is very pretty plum shade. This is like when I don't want to wear something nude, then I go for this shade which is called Plum Drip. Once you will apply it, it will feel like you have applied any tinted gloss. It feels very hydrating and gives glossy finish. But after an hour, the gloss will be fades away and it leaves this kind of tint, as you guys can see, which is absolutely transfer proof and long lasting. If you will eat any heavy meal, then only it can be fade away from the center, but it will not gonna go anywhere until you had any oily food. And it gives very like glossy, comfortable finish, lightweight finish. So it's very good for everyday purpose. You guys can see it's completely transfer proof. It does not get any product on the hand. It is very good as per the price point. It's around like $2.99 or $2.49 only, which is worth it. Like it worth every penny as per my point because it's very lightweight. The glossy finish feels very comfortable on the lips. It gives like non-patchy reapplication also, which is a very good thing in a lip tint because some of the lip tints gets dries down and settles into lip lines, which I really don't like in lip tints. So yeah, as per my point, it's the best lip tint I have ever tried. These are completely non-sticky, and if you want something for everyday use, like if you're a college going girl or office going girl, you want something long lasting that does not fade away in an hour, then you can go for this lip tints. These are very affordable and as per the price point, these are very good. I have shared one shade application for you guys so you can see that how it looks. And बाकी सारे शीट के मैंने हैंड एप्लीकेशन अटैच कर दिए है. And yeah, that is it for today's video. I hope you guys like this video, and if you want me to do matte mousse lipstick like which is the new launch Mars matte mousse lipstick swatches, then do let me know in the comment section. And yeah, do not forget to subscribe my channel to see more such videos, and bye bye, see you in my next video.